Good morning all, here at Field and Forest today we're going to give you a bit of an insight to an SV26 and the ARB configuration. We'll walk around the machine and show you some of the good points. As you walk round, we come round to the latest 3-cylinder electronically controlled Yanmar engine. This unit is also fitted in the Bio 27. All access for filters, service, all very easy to get to. Hydraulic tank, sight glass for your hydraulics, again very easy to get into. Radiator, coolant. We move to the side, we have a compartment here. In this compartment we have the fuel tank. Easy for filling, grease gun, battery and a master switch here which switches off the electrics. In the Yanmar world, SV26 stands for conventional tail swinged excavator. 2.6 is the weight. As we walk to the front, as you can see, it's fitted with a TG16 grab with rotation. Also with a Strickland hydraulic hitch. Also on the SV26 we have the twin lines. This operates your slew and your opening and closing of your grab. On this model as well we have the screen guard, which is made in-house, along with the saddle onto the rotating on the grab. We also supply and fit the latest laser LED lights on all our current models. As you can see, we're in now the cab, a very spacious, comfortable cab with the digital interface for your flow, pressure control, all adjustable on the screen. The control levers are for the grab are proportional controlled, so you can slow down and speed up the rotation and the opening and closing of the grab. This particular one also has a radio. The proportional controls for your speed on your equipment. Inside the cab we have a compartment which is easily accessed for your fuses, your relays, for your electrics. Easy access. This particular machine has been sold and is now heading out to a customer over in Glasgow.